YouTube, this is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this new Wmark hair trimmer with the model number NG311. It's written at 7,000 RPM, I guess without blade. So got also LCD display and got a T-outliner blade. That's right. And also looks like JRL trimmer. Okay, got two colors, got some guide combs, cable and little brush and oil. Okay, charging time 2.5 hours, operating time also 2.5 hours, battery 1800 milliamp, and that's it, nothing else on the body. Okay, now let's open it. And here also, this is also cool. I like that. Looks good. And it's also slimmer than the other JRL replica that I unboxed long ago. This one is slimmer. Okay. And inside the box, you got a charging cable, the manual, guide combs, I guess 4 of them, no oil, but a little brush. So this is the trimmer, charging port, and this is the blade, T-outliner blade. As you can see, and also got T-outliner cutter blade. So okay, this is the logo, Wmark, power button, exactly the same way like the other JRL replica. And okay, let's make an RPM test. Which is good. The decibel, let's try it without blade. So without blade got 6,900. So the teardown, just the same like the older version of JRL replica. See that? Just the same way. So this is the motor. So it's at 360. It's at 360. So you can read. Yep. So this is the cam follower. So it's the same blade like GTX blade. I mean Andy's GTX blade, but Andy's GTX blade doesn't have this one. Okay, which is very, very bad. So in case if maybe you said you want to buy this one, then try put on this GTX blade on it. It will be very, very difficult. I will show you why. Because of this thing here, see that? And without this thing, the blade will not be stable. You understand? So it will be shifting, I mean moving around, which is not good for me. So for me, this is not a good trimmer. This is another bad trimmer from Wmark. But this one, because I was testing it, the cutter blade, it's the same like GTX blade, and here is also the same like this one, also like GTX blade, but doesn't have GTX blade doesn't have this hole here. And another bad thing, you cannot really zero gap it because of this thing. You can't move it. For me, it's really a bad trimmer from Wmark. I don't hate Wmark or something like that, but I'm just pointing out what I experience, and this blade is not sharp enough. If you want to buy it, it's okay, you can buy it, but for me, I don't recommend this. I don't recommend this trimmer. This is another failure from Wmark, and I'm out.